browser app. Type DAFN in the search bar. Open the first website. Find the font you want. Then click Download. After successfully downloading, open the file manager on your cell phone, then extract the zip file to AUTHORWAV. Then we import the font that has been downloaded. Open the CapCut app and select the video you want to edit. Click the text feature. Click Add Text. Click Import Text. Click the plus sign plus. Click Upload Files. Select the file that was previously extracted. Don't forget to select the file with the AUTHORWAV format. The font has been successfully imported. You can also create font style and import other fonts in the same way as before.